The ZONESUN ZS-FAL180X15 is a fully automatic tea packaging line designed for weighing, filling, and capping bottles with precision and efficiency. Featuring a 4-lane vibratory weighing system, it ensures accurate dosage and smooth product flow. The line integrates filling, brushing, conveying, cap feeding, capping, and bottle accumulation into one continuous process, achieving a capacity of 20 to 24 bottles per minute. Its multi-cap compatibility supports droppers, sprays, and pump heads, making it versatile for different packaging needs.